Welcome to this lesson on contractions. Today, we will learn about negative forms of the be verb. Specifically, we will explore isn't, aren't, wasn't, and weren't. These are shortened forms that native English speakers use every day in conversation. Let's dive in. A contraction is a shortened form of two words combined using an apostrophe. For example, the words is not become isn't. Contractions make speech and writing faster and sound more natural. They are essential in everyday English conversation, so it's important to master them. Before we learn negative contractions, let's review the be verb. In present tense, we have three forms: am, is, and are. In past tense, we have two forms: was and were. These base forms are the foundation for understanding contractions. Now let's look at the negative forms. In present tense, we add not to get is not, which becomes isn't, and are not, which becomes aren't. In past tense, we have was not, which becomes wasn't, and were not, which becomes weren't. Notice the apostrophe replaces the letter O in the word not. Let's focus on present tense contractions. Use isn't with he, she, and it. For example, he isn't ready. Use aren't with you, we, and they. For example, they aren't here. Remember, isn't is for singular subjects, while aren't is for plural or you. Now for past tense. Use wasn't with I, he, she, and it. For example, she wasn't happy. Use weren't with you, we, and they. For example, we weren't at home. Again, wasn't is for singular and weren't is for plural or you. Let's practice with isn't. First example in present simple. The cat isn't on the table. Here we use isn't because the cat is singular. Second example in present continuous. She isn't working today. Again, we use isn't because she is singular. Remember, always use isn't for he, she, and it. Now let's look at aren't examples. First example in present simple. We aren't at home now. We use aren't because we is plural. Second example in present continuous. You aren't listening to me. Here we use aren't because you takes the are form. Always remember aren't for you, we, and they. Let's practice with wasn't. First example in past simple. The shop wasn't open yesterday. We use wasn't because the shop is singular. Second example in past continuous. I wasn't watching television at 8 in the evening. We use wasn't for I because it's singular in the past. Use wasn't for I, he, she, and it. Now for weren't examples. First example in past simple. They weren't at the party. We use weren't because they is plural. Second example in past continuous. We weren't sleeping at midnight. We use weren't here because we is plural. Always use weren't for you, we, and they in the past. Let's talk about common mistakes. First, never use amn't. There is no contraction for am not. Second, don't use isn't for we or they. Use aren't instead. Third, don't use wasn't for you or we. Use weren't instead. Now try these practice questions. What contraction would you use for they are not here? The answer is aren't. What about she is not happy? The answer is isn't. Let's summarize what we learned. In present tense, use isn't for singular and aren't for plural or you. In past tense, use wasn't for singular and weren't for plural or you. Contractions are essential for natural English speech. Practice using them daily in your conversations. This will help you sound more like a native English speaker. Keep practicing, and you will master these contractions in no time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.